Once again, maayong adlaw ka na tong tanan. For this session, we will continue to understand the meaning behind the text. But before we will proceed, let's do a recap first, okay? In the previous recording, I discussed about the first sentence that ethics is very important in the life of every teacher. Sa ako pang gi-discuss last recording, when we say central, pasabot ana importante kaayo. Naa siya sa tunga, wala siya gipadaplen. Okay? Kung usa ta ka teacher, dili pwede nga ethics is just optional. Dili siya if ganahan lang ta. Automatic that ethics is always part of us as educators. As educators, we teach children, we influence minds, we shape values. So magunsa man na nga bright ta nga teacher pero wala tay batasan. As we continue to understand the next sentence padulong sa last sentence of the first paragraph, we'll try to appreciate ngano kaha nga importante man ang teacher, importante man ang ethics sa teacher. Unsa kaha ang iyang papel sa kinabuhi sa matag teacher. Sa ikaduha nga sentence, we read, teaching is not merely a technical or mechanical task of transferring knowledge from one mind to another. Let us pause here. Importante kaayo ni nga sentence. Una, I would like to emphasize the word not merely. Teaching is not merely. Pasabot ana, dili lang. Teaching is dili lang about transferring of knowledge. Teaching is not just mosulod sa classroom, mo lecture, mo hatag og exam, mo grade, unya after na mo hawa. Teaching is not mechanical. Unsa man na ang mechanical? Kanang pagkaway emosyon, kawalay carry, ka routinary, balik-balik lang. Na? Kaya doon naman dyan tayo tendency nga tanaw ning teaching as merely balik-balik nga procedure. Musud sa klase, magampo, mangutana kunuhay unsay nakatunan sa niaging lesson, muhatag sa lesson, magpaabot sa oras, mubiya, and it becomes routinary. Kung ingani ang teaching, mura ra ka og machine, dili ka teacher. Kung balikon, kung iyan natong pananaw sa usa ka teacher, then we are actually not forming a person, we are forming a machine. So kung magtudlo ta, for example, sa math, dili lang formula, dili lang answer, dili lang correct or wrong. Teaching is more than transferring of knowledge. So if teaching is more than transferring of knowledge, unsa man ni siya? Now let's proceed to the next sentence. It is a deeply human endeavor that involves values, relationship, judgments, responsibilities, and moral commitments. Now, taas-taas na siya nga pulong, pero ato na siyang tukion. Kini nga sentence mauni ang heart of the introduction. Let us break down. Niingon sa first sentence nga ethics naga-occupy nga importanteng papel sa kinabuhi sa tanang magtutudlo. And this preceding sentence telling us that that ethics involves deeply human endeavor. Teaching therefore involves people. It is deeply human endeavor kay tawhanon ni siya. Wala ka nagtudlo og animal. Wala ka nagtudlo og hayop. Wala ka nagtudlo og butang. Nagtudlo kag tao. Teaching involves people. Students with emotion. Atong mga estudyante, there is emotion. Students with problems. Munang usahay diha sa iyahang wala pagpaminaw tingali nagunahuna na og laing butang. Para niya importante kaayo. Ang iya barong kahang kanunon. Problema ba karon sa pamilya nga iyahang gibawon-bawon. Students with fears, kahadlok niya. Students with dreams, unsa ang iyahang gilantaw sa unahan. Mauni nga teaching is human work, dili ni robotic work. Let's proceed. Human endeavor that involves una, values. Values are honest, respect, fairness, compassion. Kung teacher ka, makita na sa students imong values. Dili ka kinahanglang musulti, makita na nila. Sunod, relationships. Teaching is about relationship. Natay relasyon no? Sulod sa classroom ug sa mga tao nga na-connect sa ato ang mga estudyante. Yes, no, we have teacher-student relationship, but more than that, ang mga estudyante adunay ginikanan. So there must be teacher-parent relationship as well. Labaw sa tanan, aduna kay mga kaubanan nga magtutudlo sa eskwelahan. Teacher-colleague relationship. So kung wala kay ethics, magkuba ang relasyon. Labi na maptigbabaw na ang gitawag nga favoritism, power tripping, kanang ipatigbabaw nimo nga gamhanan ka ipakita nimo nga ikaw maoy ray masunod. And lastly, kung musugod na tag disrespect. These are ethical issues. Continue. Another human endeavor involves judgment. Every teacher makes decision. Kung mayroon tag judgment class, it means your ability to decide. Judgmental jud ta. Kay mo decide man ta every now and then. Kinsa ron ang imuhang i-call, kinsa ron ang imuhang tagaan og penalty, taga pasayloon no or dili ba? These are ethical judgments. Dili tanan decisions na sa handbook. Mao nga ang ethics, maunay mo guide nato, maunay mo bana-bana kung unsa may makatawhanon nimong buhaton. To proceed. Another human endeavor is responsibility. Being a teacher is a responsibility. Responsibilita sa learning, responsibilita sa safety, responsibilita sa emotional well-being. Dili pwedeng moingon lang ta, bahala na. Now let's proceed. Moral commitments. This means commitment to do what is right. Walay tao nga mo commit og usa ka butang nga dili maayo. It's always geared to what is right, even if lisod na. For example, mangopya ba ka? Mga busar ba ka? Or manakit ba ka verbally? Meaning, teaching indeed is a profession. Kusa kini ka moral nga profession. To continue, the fourth sentence tells us every classroom interaction, instructional decision, assignment practice, and disciplinary action reflects an ethical stance, whether conscientiously or unconsciously adapted. This sentence is very powerful. Let me simplify this. Everything you do in the classroom shows your ethics, even if you are not aware of it. Every classroom interaction, how you talk, sa tuno sa ato ang tingog, sa careful choosing of words nga atong pagagamiton, even our bodily language, all of these show ethics. O kana mapakita because there is always an interaction inside the classroom. Sunod, instructional decision. Unsay imong paagi sa pagtudlo? Inclusive ba? Fair ba? Sensitive ba ta sa panginahanglanon sa mga learners? Sunod, assessment practice. Grades are ethical issues. Fair ba ta nga mohatag og grado? Transparent ba ta? Sa sugod ba sa klase ato nang giingnan sila kung sa unsang pa maagiha sila i-assess? Wala ba tay bias sa pag-treat sa mga estudyante? Sunod, disciplinary action. Kung mo disiplina ta, with respect ba na or with humiliation? As a teacher, sometimes our ego will be tested by students unknowingly on their part. As a reply, what do we do? Do we respect them or do we humiliate them? Ethics guides discipline. Next, consciously or unconsciously. Sometimes kabalo ka nga sayop. Sometimes wala ka kabalo. But still, ethics is reflected. Mao nga kinahanglan aware ta sa atong aksyon. Di ta pwedeng magpakampante lang because everyone in the classroom is looking at us. Now, to end this short recording, aron lang jud ning ma-appreciate nato kung unsaon nato pagtan-aw ug pagbasa ang handouts. Let's proceed to the final sentence. Thus, ethics is not an abstract or distant concept for teachers. It is embedded in their daily professional lives. No? This is the conclusion statement of the introduction. Kumiung kag abstract, pasabot ana layo, lisod sapton, or theory ra, idea ra. But ethics is not abstract. Ethics is how you enter the classroom, how you treat students, how you check papers, and how you talk to parents every day. Ethics is what we do. So, as teachers, remember this. You don't only teach subjects, you also teach values. You don't only speak lessons, you model character. So to end this short lecture as a continuation, aron masabtan nato ang first paragraph of these handouts, I want you to reflect. Unsa kang klase ka nga teacher ug unsang gusto nimong mahimo? Bright ba? O ba na ito ang gi-expect mahimo tang bright nga teacher but unethical? Or competent, kamao ug ethical? Because at the end of the day, again ha, at the end of the day, students may forget your lesson, but they will never forget how you treated them. Akong balikon, students may forget your lesson, but you will never forget how you treated them. Hinumdumi ay mong mga teachers before, nawala na ang lesson, nga ilang gitudlo ka nato. Apan ang nagpabilin, ang impact sa kung giunsa ta nila pag-treat. Now, in our next discussion, we will go deeper into ethical principles for educators. And you will see nga ethics is not just a subject indeed. It is a way of being a teacher. It is a way sa kini ka pamaagi o sa kini sa pagpakita kung unsa ang ka magtutudlo. Thank you class. Maayong adlaw kanatong tanan. Hopefully this short recording will give us an assumption nga naatay dapat katunan ani nga subject ug sa ako pang gipa-remind ninyo, hopefully ma-imbibe nato nga dili ta magsalig sa teacher diha sa pagkat-on sa lesson. Sa makausap pa, thank you ug maayong adlaw kanatong tanan.